ठीक है। Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to fix this error not spotted auth mode. Client does not support authentication protocol requested by the server. Consider upgrading MySQL client. So it's clearly stating that we have to update a MySQL client, the library we are using in our node project. So we'll update that to we'll install the latest version here. Right now we are using MySQL, and I will go for MySQL 2 now. npm install MySQL 2, and we'll just install that. So it's install. Let's try to update that in MySQL 2, and let's try to run this again. So you can see the issue we have earlier for the authentication, it's all now it's stating that we don't have the database rental management system. Let's try to create the database with the name. Let's refresh again. So you can see MySQL connected successfully. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe and like the video.